Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to another video on this channel. My name is Fabio, and in today's video, of course, the major dollar pairs and gold are going to be discussed. So let's dive in, see what is going on. I'm currently in a EU long, which is running pretty well in profit. So let's dive in and see what's going on. Starting off with the dollar index has been rejecting that level which I mentioned in yesterday's and the previous videos. As we can see, kind of pretty much a fake out that we're currently seeing. I'm hoping to see a further push down on euro dollar after this kind of corrective ascending pattern which we've now seen. So if we dive in towards the 1 hour, what can we now see on the 1 hour? Well, on the 1 hour, we've pretty much broke this low over here, seen it close below it. So we could potentially see a pullback before a further dump down lower. That is what I'm waiting for at the moment. What we're currently seeing is just a reaction to this overall pretty much trend line on the 1 hour, but I do expect this trend line to get broken very soon and for the dollar index to start pushing down after this ascending correction. In my personal opinion, it's not very healthy if price were to continue up higher. So that's it for the dollar index, looking at that 1 hour chart. So that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, so Aussie dollar saw a push up higher, absolutely beautiful. So currently, what are we waiting for? Well, we're waiting for a short from that area of supply potentially. Yeah, looking at this 1 hour at the moment, it's pretty nice setup that you had yesterday after this pretty much structural break of this high, which broke this low. Push up, break of structure, pull back, and push up once again. So at the moment, just waiting for a push in towards supply before a further push in towards the downside. So with that said, let's head over to our next pair, which is euro dollar and euro dollar. So currently in a long on euro dollar, expecting higher prices, waiting for euro dollar to pull back up higher, at least take out liquidity above this swing high over here, and ultimately see a push in towards these equal highs above which liquidity has been built. That is currently what I'm expecting from euro dollar. Looking at the overall market structure though, it is pretty messy, but the 4 hour close that we just saw is looking very good for euro dollar to see a push up higher in towards at least this buy before the sell candle. So yeah, ultimately just aiming to mirror this clean move over here to our left and see a big rise in price alongside the dollar index, making a beautiful correction. Overall, for the rest, not really much looking at the daily whatsoever. So yeah, with that said, let's head over to pound dollar. And looking at pound dollar, so what are we seeing on pound dollar? Well, also not much, of course. As you can see, just consolidating in this area of demand, which we have over here. It's not really tradable, in my personal opinion, looking at this 1 hour chart. Looking at the daily, just a quick reminder that we are, of course, bearish. So yeah, we could of course see a further dump downwards, but there's also no clear areas of demand. So just overall looking at this chart, I would just kind of focus on looking at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still bullish, just wait for these highs to get taken out and then look for a further long. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Then Kiwi dollar. So yeah, Kiwi dollar looking at a pullback on this pair, of course, up higher. Excuse me. So looking at pretty much taking out these highs over here. That's first, and then in towards this buy before the sell to then look for a potential short. For the rest, looking at the daily is of course bullish though, so we are also in discount, so it is kind of risky to still look for shorts. But if we do see a change in structure and we see a break, so let's say we don't see any rejection at all from that area of 4 hour supply and we take out this high, then straight away look for longs. And then gold. So yeah, gold has been dumping back downwards after rejecting this area of supply. Yeah, currently just waiting for these areas of demand to get hit. Liquidity has been built up below this low, so I still think gold could see a dump below it before seeing any continuation alongside the daily trend. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Wish you all a fantastic day. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you all soon. Thanks, guys.